MediNail, in conjunction with the American College of Medical Foot Care and Aesthetics, presents the MediNail Online Foot Care and Safety Summit of 2020. The MediNail Online Summit brings you a truly revolutionary learning experience to take your nail and foot education to the next level. Join MediNail on Sunday, August the 2nd from 1 to 4 p.m. for a fulfilling online learning opportunity from the comfort of your own home. At the MediNail Online Summit, you'll find lectures on cutting-edge topics, demonstrations of some of the latest nail technology, industry speakers, leading physicians, and vendors with valued special offers. This year's scheduled speakers are lectures from podiatrist Dr. Brian Markinson, Dr. Julia Overstreet, Dr. David Zuckerman, Dr. Bill Shearer from Bacopathology, and vascular surgeon Chris Lassar. Some of the highlights for this year's Safety Summit will be the American College of Medical Foot Care and Aesthetics lecture series, The Deception of Disinfection. MediNail will introduce new products developed to revolutionize the nail salon industry. MediNail introduces Onifix, a company that has developed a wonder treatment for ingrown nails. This product has not been available in the U.S. market until now. MediNail announces a new partnership with PhotoExpert, a new foam-based reparative skin healing product line designed for dry, cracked skin and fissures. Finally, MediNail partners with a new eco-friendly disinfectant company that will revolutionize disinfectants in the nail salon industry. Best of all, the MediNail Online Foot Care and Safety Summit is absolutely free. Relax in your own home and enjoy an online experience, all provided by MediNail at no extra cost to you. So join the MediNail Online Foot Care and Safety Summit on Sunday, August the 2nd from 1 to 4 p.m. You'll expand your nail tech knowledge base, get accredited certifications, and most of all, have a fun-filled afternoon with friends and associates. All for free and all from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere you choose with no travel hassles or extra expenses involved. That's Sunday, August the 2nd from 1 to 4 p.m. for the MediNail Online Foot Care and Safety Summit of 2020.